And the Bihar Public Service Commission conducting the re-examination for candidates who appeared at the Bapu Pariksha Parisar Center on January 4 following allegations of irregularities during the initial exam. Around 12,000 candidates are expected to take the re-exam at 22 centers across Patna, a move aimed at ensuring fairness after issues surfaced during the December 13 exam, which had originally taken place at a single location. Now, the exams are being conducted amid tight security as protests are ongoing, demanding re-examination in a fair manner in Bihar. My colleague Prabhakar reports more.
Today is the 19th day of BPSC protest in Bihar, and today happens to be a very important day. Today is the day for the re-examination of around 12,000 aspirants, the BPSC students, whose examination center was cancelled. And this is the core of the entire protest which is going on in Bihar for last 19 days. You can see the students queuing outside the examination center, and they are lining up for frisking, and they are being then allowed into the examination center. Now, these students, or the BPSC aspirants, around 5 lakh of them who took this examination, they are protesting that this entire examination should be cancelled and there should be a re-examination, whereas the government had decided to take re-examination for only these 12,000 students whose center was disturbed on the first day of examination, and that is the Bapu Pariksha Kendra, Bapu Examination Center, and they have been asked to reappear for the examination. This is the core of the protest of the BPSC students, is that they want the entire examination to be cancelled, scrapped, and then the re-examination to be held for all 5 lakh students who took this exam. Now, today happens to be a very important day, as I told you, and the government and the administration here is taking no chances as far as the security measures are concerned, because there are students who are on dharna right from maybe 500 meters from here. They are sitting on dharna. You have Prashant Kishore, likes of Prashant Kishore and Pappu Yadav, who have actually jumped into the fray, and they are making life even more tougher for the administration to handle and manage this entire crisis. Total जिस पर पूरा हंगामा चल रहा है 19 दिन से, वो हंगामा इसी बात को लेके है कि आप लोग एग्जाम देंगे. उनका कहना है कि आप लोगों को पैटर्न पता चल गया तो आप लोगों को जो है वो पहले सुविधा मिलेगी. क्या आप मानते हैं?
जी जी जी.
तो आप भी मानते हैं कि पूरा एग्जाम कैंसिल होना चाहिए?
पूरा होना चाहिए.
आपको
जबरदस्ती एग्जाम लिया जा रहा है. अभी तो इसका कुछ निर्णय भी नहीं निकला. ये आर पार की लड़ाई था.
इसमें तो मुख्यमंत्री जी को सोचना चाहिए, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को सोचना चाहिए कि जब एक सेंटर पर 13,000 14,000 समथिंग बच्चे का जब एक सेंटर होता है, उसमें अभी आप बांट कर री एग्ज़ाम में 25 सेंटर आप बनाए हैं, तो सोचिए 25 सेंटर का बदला एक सेंटर आप जब बनाए हैं तो उसको कैंसिल करना तो अनिवार्य है 100%.